Hello, my name is Samantha Mertens. I am the nurse manager for OBGYN physician services here at St. Francis-Emory Healthcare. I have been a nurse at St. Francis-Emory Healthcare for 7 years. At St. Francis-Emory Healthcare, we are working to provide our patients with a safe environment during these times. So one of the steps we are taking is by now offering telemedicine. With the providers you know and trust, we are providing the care you need from the comfort of your home. Scheduling a telemedicine visit is easy with these 3 steps. Number 1, call to set up an appointment with your provider. Number 2, visit the telemedicine portal 15 minutes before your appointment to make sure everything is working and check into the virtual waiting room by selecting your provider. Number 3, a team member will greet you and collect important information from you then to connect to your provider. Telemedicine should not be used for any condition where an in-person exam is required. For medical emergencies, call 911 or go to your nearest emergency room. For specifics on telemedicine visits, call your provider or visit mystfrancismedicalgroup.com. We look forward to seeing you in person or by telemedicine.